There's a common misconception about what ableism is. Someone will say something that marginalizes someone based on their ability. But in response to this, the person will believe that they were wrong because they didn't know that the person had a disability. However, ableism doesn't lie in that knowledge. And I'll give you a good example. An autistic person doesn't want to try a food, but you don't know that they're autistic in the situation. And on some level, you think they're closed-minded because of this, and it frustrates you. So you speak to them in a way that's belittling to their preference, and then they share that they're autistic after. This person would have acted and believed something ableist not because they didn't know that this person was autistic, but because they assumed that they weren't someone with a disability to begin with, although maybe the knowledge helps them realize this later. And here's another example related to a physical disability. Let's say you're going to a business meeting with someone you've never met before. You don't know that they have no legs. And coincidentally, this person lives 1 block away from you in a city. And because the elevator in their building isn't working, they say they have to meet on the phone instead of in person, but you need documents from them. So now you have to go somewhere else further away from your house. So you express anger at this guy and say, why can't you just walk? But then they tell you about their disability. You see, both situations show the same thing in a way. The expectation that they didn't have these differences is where the implicit ableism exists. When it builds up over many different people in relationships for someone who has a disability, it makes them less likely to be understood and accommodated for in the community.